Good morning. So today I thought I would do a little vlogging because I haven't vlogged since New Zealand. So like daily vlog type everyday life things I haven't done for a while and I miss them. So I thought I would vlog today. I'm not really doing too much besides cleaning, getting things done. I have some errands to run. I do have a webinar with The Knot in like 2 hours-ish. So I just thought right now I would kind of clean up my room and you guys could clean with me because I've actually kind of been into those clean with me, organize with me kind of videos, and my room needs to be clean. So thought I would do this, and then depending what time it is after that, I do have to run to the bank today. I have to go to Walmart because I am like completely out of foundation, so I have to order some. So I thought I'd just go see what was new at the drugstore because there's been some like new drugstore foundations that have come out that I haven't tried yet. So thought we would go do that and yeah, just see where the day takes us. But I'm gonna get started cleaning up because my room is kind of a disaster. Okay, so I got my room pretty well cleaned up, but I wanted to show you guys this influencer box I just got. They had a Sol de Janeiro, is that how you say it? I'm not quite sure. But with their Brazilian bod buff, they had a little box with. I love the box. I think it's like so festive with the bright colors, and it has a little card as always. But this is what came in it. It is their Brazilian bod buff. It's like a mask and exfoliating scrub. And I did try this out yesterday and I posted on my Instagram account about this. But this smells so good. It's like bright yellow. It looks kind of crazy right there. But it smells so good and it made my skin so soft. I really liked it. I did put it on as a mask first with this applicator that they sent too. And then in the shower, once it gets wet, you can like use it as a scrub and like a loofah and scrub it off. And like it's got little beads in it, so it really exfoliates well too. And I felt like my skin was just so soft, and I've never tried any of their products before. I've heard their like, what is it? Their Bum Bum cream. It's supposed to be really good, and I kind of want to try it out now because I like this so much. So if you guys have tried their Bum Bum cream, let me know what you thought of it. But I just wanted to share with you guys that I really enjoyed that. Then also cleaning, I have my Ulta little catalog here, and they do have the 21 days of beauty steals happening right now. I went through and circled like kind of what I was looking at. Today is March 22nd. Yesterday I did pick up one of the Smashbox primer waters because mine's almost out and I don't have many primers left. I've been really trying to not buy makeup, so I'm like out of primer, so I really have been liking it, and since it's on sale, I picked that one up. And then there's a couple other deals that I had kind of thought. This one, oh, so good. Super, super good deal. Anastasia has their Brow Wizzes for $10.50. So I'm going to pick up a couple of those because that's like my go-to Holy Grail brow product. So let me know if you guys are picking anything up from the sale. I also got this email today on Ulta's site. Their Urban Decay Naked Basics palette is now only $19. They're having a sale. I'm sorry, this is blurry. I don't know why it's not focusing, but it's only $19, normally $29. Super good deal. I just talked about this palette in my recent favorites video. So I think I'm gonna put this on my Instagram stories too to kind of let you guys know if you wanted to pick that up, because it's been like my go-to for traveling and I've been like obsessed with that. So super good deal there as well. It's really hard for me that Ulta is having all of these deals right now since I am trying to save my money, and like the 21 days of beauty steals are like normally what I go hard on because they're such good deals. But I'm trying to be good this year and only buy what I need, but primer was essential because I'm pretty much out of mine and you can never have enough Brow Wiz pencils. So those I'm hoping to just stick to, really like those two things. I did have some other things circled that I was kind of watching because they're just such good deals. But yeah, trying to save. The struggle is real. I also think Sephora is having their like VIB sale like next month. So gonna be another tough one. But anyways, right now I'm pretty much done picking up my room. It wasn't really as terrible as I thought, but there was just a lot of stuff not in the place that it should have been. So it was kind of just like making me antsy and I just needed a clean space. So right now it is 10:45, so in about an hour I'm going to sit down at my computer and get it all situated to do my webinar with the Knot. I was gonna try and go to the bank and get all my errands done before that, but I think I'm gonna wait till after, since I do want to go like check out the drugstore makeup at Walmart. And I just don't think an hour is gonna be enough to do all that running around and be back in time for the webinar to start. So I think I'm actually gonna get something to eat quick because I haven't eaten breakfast yet, and then just get kind of ready and situated at my computer for that stuff. I do have to answer some emails for some brides as well, so I'll pretty much just work the rest of the morning and then catch up with you guys a little bit later after the webinar. So the webinar is about a minute before it starts. I'm all set. I got a little snack of sour cream and onion chips, don't judge me, a couple Hershey's Hugs, and some water. So I'm so excited for this. It's gonna be so good. You hear that? It's like super loud. Okay, so I finished my webinar with the Knot. It was so good. It was pretty much talking about like the trends, like the past year, 2017, what's like popular that couples are doing and what they're focusing on more with their weddings and what's important and what they're looking for. So it was cool to get like an insight with that and kind of know how to market like my business and everything. So it was super good. It was like a half hour long. I am just about to leave. It's like 2 o'clock now. I've been like reading some reviews online because I need a new foundation so bad. All of mine are like my high-end ones are pretty much all out and I have to order some, but I'm kind of waiting for the Sephora VIB sale because I'm trying to save money. So I thought I would go check out Walmart right now and see what ones they have. Like I said, I was looking up reviews on different ones and I think I have an idea of the one I want to try because I kind of want to try something new. You know, you can't find new products you love then if you don't try new products. So I think I'm going to try out a new foundation. We'll see what my Walmart carries. They have upped their makeup section, I gotta say. So we'll go explore that. I also have to stop by my grandma's house because she fixed a pair of pants for me. So I think I'm gonna go to Walmart first though, and then I'll stop in and see her and then come home. Okay, so I just got home from Walmart and visiting with my grandma, which was really nice. She fixed a pair of pants for me. The little belt loop came off, so she fixed that. But I just wanted to show you guys quick what I ended up getting from Walmart. I was so indecisive. Like, I almost went with my go-to Maybelline Fit Me foundation. The Matte and Poreless is like my holy grail. But I did see this one there, and it is new. It is the Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation from Maybelline. And I did watch a couple reviews on this, and I was really torn because some of them were like, they liked it a lot, and others were like, not really like the best. But the ones that weren't the best had oily skin naturally, and I don't really have oily. I'm more combination to normal, I guess, or maybe a little on the dry side. I don't know. I just really wanted to try something new. I actually wanted to try their Better Skin foundation, but of course my Walmart didn't have it. So I ended up going with this one. I really hope I like it. I got the color Porcelain 110, and I did get this one. I was going to go with the one above this, but one of the reviews I saw said that it did oxidize quite a bit, so I thought I would go lighter, and if it was too light then I could just mix it with some of my other foundations. But I decided to go with this one because I did do a poll on my Instagram stories asking you guys which one I should try, and at the time it was like 100% this one, so I just went with it. And then I bought it, and then there was like the Fit Me started winning, and right now the Fit Me is still winning, if you can see that. But there were, let's see, 3 people said Super Stay so far, and 5 voted the Fit Me, which, like I said, the Fit Me is like such a great foundation. I feel like people are voting that because they know it's so great, but I haven't really heard much about this besides the reviews I looked up today. So I'm kind of excited. I haven't gotten to try like a new foundation for quite a while, so especially one from the drugstore. So I was kind of excited and wanted to go with it, even though it was a little more expensive than the Fit Me. I just thought it was going to be a fun new one to try, and it is full coverage. It's supposed to be up to 24-hour wear. We'll try it out. I haven't decided if I want to do a video with it yet. I am going to try it out tomorrow, but I love the fact that it has a pump. I know the Better Skin one does as well, but the Maybelline Fit Me one is just like a pour out glass bottle. So I feel like they should revamp the packaging of that one like these ones are. Anyways, that is what I went with. I really hope it ends up being a good one for me. Otherwise, I'll probably return it and go get my Fit Me foundation instead. So now I'm going to go inside. It is currently 3:30 and I'm starving. I pretty much had a piece of banana bread and a bowl of like chips today, and that's it. So I need to go eat like something good and filling, and then see what else I want to do today. I don't really have anything else planned. I do want to wax my eyebrows because they're getting kind of crazy, but other than that, probably just have a chill rest of the day, I guess. Hey guys, so it's been quite a while since I last vlogged. I got home, I ate, and then I did some editing pretty much the rest of the day, and then I helped my mom cook dinner, and now I just got out of the hot tub and I'm so relaxed and so tired. So excuse my appearance, but I'm pretty sure I'm just going to now wash my face. I do want to wax my brows still, so maybe I'll wax my brows, wash my face, and then just curl up and watch some Gilmore Girls on Netflix. I feel like that sounds like a good night to me. I'm just so tired for some reason. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Also subscribe to my channel if you have not already. You can also hit the little notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload. Also, if there's certain videos you guys would like to see on my channel, let me know in the comments below. I'm definitely going to be doing more vlogs, so stay tuned for that. But let me know what kind of like beauty videos you guys want to see, or if you want to see like some fashion. I'm pretty open to ideas right now, so be sure to let me know. Again, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.
You'll come back, it's time you leave. Cause darling, I'm a nightmare dressed like a daydream. So it's gonna be forever.